Florida Republican Congressman Mark Foley abruptly resigned after he was accused of sending sexually explicit internet messages to a former teenage male congressional page.
To be honest, I'm a little too interested in you, so that's why I need to back off a little. Yeah, slow things down a little. I'm still young, like under 18. Don't want to do anything illegal. I'm not 18. Cool. Don't forget to measure for me. A reference to his request that the page provide the measurements of his sexual organ.
Now, within days of the scandal breaking, multiple male pages said that they received similar messages from Foley. One even claimed that he had sex with the former congressman.